Hello student. Today we will do the revision of class 8 advanced math chapter 1 numerals. So the important sums of each type of sums. We will discuss the each type of sum. Try to include the maximum types of sum which will help you to do score good marks in your test. So I start now. Number 1. Question number 1 is express 124 in a number whose base is 7. So the process is 124 divided by 7. So 7 1 ja. How much you will get? 5 4 7 7 ja. 6. How much you will get? 5, sorry, 5. 7 1 ja 5 4 7 7 ja 49. Then again divide by 7 2 times 7 to the 14 3 will get. So therefore 124 equal to 1235 base is 7. Okay. So this way you can express decimal number to any other base. This is called by the successive division method. Okay, number 2, express 133 base 8 in binary number. So see, from another base to binary number, in order to change a number with the different base to binary number, first you have to change the given base into decimal number. So you need to do 133 base 8 in decimal number. Okay. So how will you do? 1 into 8 to the power 2. See, number of digit is 3, so we will start with 2. Plus 3 into 8 to the power 1 after 2. Then 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power 0. We will reach 1 till 0. So we will start with, check the number of digit. It is 3. We will start with power 2. We will express as a polynomial. Base 8 is given. So now calculate 8 square 64. On the 64 only. This is 24. And 8 to 0 is 1. So 3. How much will get? Is it 91? Sorry, 91. Okay. Now we will express this to the binary number. Okay. So from any other base, if you need to express to other base, first you will go to the decimal system. First we will express in decimal system or base 10 system. Then we will go to the other base. So keep in mind this type of sum is not given in the book. So sometimes the concept based question we might be there. Okay. So now in binary number. So obviously by successive division divide by 2, 45, 2 is 90, remainder is 1. Divide by 2, remainder 1, 44 no. Divide by 2, 11 ja, remainder is no. 2, 11, 22, no remainder. Divide by 2, 5 ja, remainder is 1. Divide by 2, 2 ja, remainder is 1. Divide by 2, 1 ja, remainder is 0. So actually 133 base 8 is equal to 1 0 1 0 double 1 0 1 0 double 1 0 double 1 base 2. Okay. So this is a little bit different sums. So keep it in mind that directly you can't convert to the desired base. First you have to go to the decimal system. Clear? Then number 3, obviously 1 mark question. Number 3, write in Roman system 1995 and 1997. So 1995, how will you write? 1900, how will you write 1900? 1900. This is 1900. And this is 90. See, 1000, 1000 minus 100, 900. So 1900. This is 100 minus 10, 95. Understood? Then similarly 1977. So MCM, this is 1900, 1900. This is 50, 60, 70 and 7. Okay. Now I promise you to give you different types of sums of this chapter. So number 4. Some number with different bases are there, you will convert to decimal system. Express the following in decimal system. One zero six base 12, 102 base 4, 51 base 20. Okay, different bases. So start now. 106 base 12. We will have to express as a product with base 12. So 1 into 12 to the power 2, number of digits 3, we will start with the power 2, plus 0 into 12 to the power 1, plus 6 into 12 to the power 0. So this is to obviously 44, 144. This is to 0 into anything 0, 6 1 is 6. So 150 will get. This is very decimal base 10 system. It is not compulsory to write. You can write also, but not. Similarly, 102 base 4, 1 into 4 to the power 2 plus C, number of digits is 3, so start with 2. 0 into 4 to the power 1 plus 2 into 4 to the power 0. How much will get? 16 plus 0 plus 2 into 1, 2. So 18 will get, okay. Then 51 base 20. Only 2 digits, no? So we write 5 into 20 to the power 1 plus 1 into 20 to the power 0. This is obviously 100. And 1 into 1. Anything to 0 is 1. So 1 only. So 101. Okay. So this numerals with different bases is converted to decimal system. Okay. The next question. Question is express 178 with the bases 7 and 8. We will express 178 with the base 7 and 8. You can do 5 and 6 also, similar way. So first start with base 7. With base 7. So 178 divided by 7. 25, 7 is 175, remainder is 3, 7 3 is 21, remainder is 4, therefore 178 equal to 343, 343 base 7. Base 7 you can write in word also. Then now similarly base 8, 178 divided by 8, 16, 8 2 ja 16, 1, 8 2 ja 16, 2, remainder is 2. Then again divide by 8, 8 2 ja 16, remainder is 6. So that's all, it is less than 8, so now we can't divide more. So 178 equal to 262 base 8. Okay. So this you understood. Number next now. Question is, there are 42 base 7 teachers in our school. Write it in decimal system. To convert to a decimal, 42 base 7 is equal to 4 into 7 to the power 1 plus 2 into 7 to the power 0. Base 7 we are converted decimal system. This is 28 plus 2. 7 to 0 is 1. No, anything to power 0 is 1. So 30. So in the last you should write the answer. Therefore, according to question, what is asking? There are 30 teachers in our school. Okay. Then number 7. Convert 111000101 base 2 in decimal number, in decimal system. We are doing each type of sums. So count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So we will start with, as a product, we will specify a product with base 2. And we number of digits is 3 plus 3, 6, 7. So start with the power 6. How many digits are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So start with 7. 1 into 2 to the power 7 plus 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. No, 1, 2, 3, 1. Plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you should check by counting. Okay. We must rest till the power 0. So number of digits is 8. So we have started from 7. Then only we will get till power 0. So 2 to the power 7 is 128 into 1, 128 only. 2 to the power 6 is 64 to 32. This is obviously 0 into anything 0. This is also 0. This is 4. This is again 0. This is 1 into 1, 1. This is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 9. 19, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 6 plus 2. How much will get? Is it 229? Okay, we will check it. Check the addition. Okay, now next number. Addition you find easy, but sometimes subtraction you find difficult. So one sum of subtraction. Write down. Subtract 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 base 2 from 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. So if you know subtraction, then you can know division also. So subtraction is important, and some of you are little reluctant in subtraction. So 1 0 1 1 0 0 1, then 1 1 1 5, no, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now subtract 1 minus 1 0. See, from 0 to you can subtract 1, so we'll borrow 10. 10 minus 1 1, because 1 plus 1 10. So that's why 10 minus 1 1. This is, and this will become 1 obviously. So 1 minus 1 0. This is no more 1, already given. 10 minus 1 1. This is also no more 0. 10 minus 1 1. And this become 1 when we borrow from here. This one is already borrowed here. So this is the answer, base 2. 1 1 0 1 0 base 2. Understood? This is minus. Now everyone is find difficult the division. So 1 division also. Question write down. Question number 9 perhaps. Divide 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 by 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. Base is 2. Base is 2. Okay. So start now. Divide. Enjoy it. It's not difficult. Now see here. Here are 4 digits. If you will take here also 4 digits, but this 4 digit is less than this 4 digit. Because to 1100, this is to 1000 only. So we'll cover 5 digits. 1 0 1 1. That means we have done 1 time only. Now subtract 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 1 1 you know, because 1 plus 1 10. How will 10? We will borrow here. 1 10 minus 1. This with 0 will become 1. So 1 minus 1 0, and this is already 0, so no need to write here. Now what we will write? 0. Okay. Now this one time we can write only 1 digit, and this is less than this. Even we can't divide 1 time. If you can't divide 1 time, see here, 1000 is less than 1101. 1 0 0 is less than 1101. So we can't divide even 1 time. So if not in 1 time, then there is no option in binary number. We have only 2 digits, no? So 0 time. So 0 we will write here. So this into 0, anything into 0 is 0 only. Then we will subtract, how much we will get? Same, this. Now one more 0. Now this is more than this, so now we can have 1 time. 1 0 1 1. Okay, now subtract 10 minus 1 1. From where we will take? From here. 10 minus 1 1. All 0 will become 1. So 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. No need to write, and this is to no more 1 already given here. So only what you will get? 11. Then again you will copy this 0. Very clear, this is less than this. So we can't divide even 1 time. So we will divide by 0 time. So 0 again. So how much you will? 1 1 0. What is left? 1. So how we will do? 1 time. 1 1 0 1. Minus is 0. So what is the quotient? Q equal to 1 0 1 0 1. Base 2 obviously, and remainder is what? 0 base 2. So this is the answer. So other divide is almost similar type. We have to be positive in front of mind. It's not difficult. If you know subtraction, you can divide easily. Okay. So one more time, sum. We have not done addition, so they write down number 10. Simplify 11011 base 2 plus 11101 base 2 divided by 111 base 2. Now we have addition and division. Okay, so first to simplify the bracket, so we need to add only. So 11011 and this is 10011. So add now. 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 10 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 10 0 carry 1, this is 1 here, 1 plus 1 10 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 10 plus 1 11 carry 1, 1 plus 1 10. Understood this? Check it again. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 10 0 carry 1. So 1 only, 1 plus 1 10 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11 carry 1, 1 plus 1 10. The base is 2 here. You see bracket is simplified. Obviously divide. Enjoy, now only you have done divide. 1 0 1 0 1 double 0. Base is 2 and base 2 will not write here in the answer only. And we need to divide by 111. If you will take 3 digits only, this is 101 only, this is 111, so this is more than this, so we have to cover up 4 digits and one time 1 1 1. Now subtract 10 minus 1 1. This will become 0 because 1 is here, so again 10 minus 1 1. 0 will become 1. So 1 minus 1 0, this is so no more 1 already borrowed given here. So 11 only. Then what will I? 1. Very clear one time. 1 1 1. So 0. What will I write here? 0. So 0 time only 0. What will write? 0. So 0 time only 0. Or directly you can put 0 there. So write the answer. What is the answer? This final answer equal to 1100 base 2. So this type of sum of numeral chapters. In next class, I will help you to do the important division of important sum of logarithm of your test portion. Okay. So all the best for your test. Go through the classes. If you have any doubt, any comment, any suggestion, any question you have, you can ask. You can message me. The WhatsApp number is given only. If you understood, then please like. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe the channel. I can share to your friend also. Okay. See you in next class with logarithm division important sums. That's all. Bye.